This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time.